To complete this activity, you're going to need your vocabulary page. You will find the vocabulary sheet on the back of your sentence study, okay? So the word we're looking at today is furious, furious. And the meaning of furious is very mad. Okay, so you need to write down the meaning of furious at the bottom right here, just like I have. Very mad, okay? Next, we need to think of some synonyms that go with furious, okay? So furious means very mad. And I'm just going to draw a picture of somebody who is furious. I'm going to give them some crazy teeth. I'm trying not to make them look too creepy. This person kind of looks creepy, don't they? I'm not trying to make them look creepy, but they're just supposed to be really mad. Let's give them some hair maybe so they don't look quite so creepy. I know those eyes just look too creepy. Hopefully your person doesn't look so creepy. But this person is furious, okay? So, synonym is a word that means the same thing. Now, antonym is the opposite. So if furious is very mad, the opposite of very mad might be very happy. So you can draw a picture of happy. Look at that, really cute. How about that? All right, now I need to come up with a sentence that goes with, that uses rather, the word furious. So let's think of a sentence. He, because remember it's our teacher in the story. Do you think he gets furious? I know who gets furious is Lily, but let's use him. He will be furious. Now, I could keep going with this, but you guys are just still learning these letters, so I'm going to not make you write a super long sentence, okay? But when you write a sentence, remember, we always start with an uppercase letter. Then the rest of the letters in our sentence are all lowercase. Between each word, I have a space so that I know I'm starting a new word. If all these letters are smushed together, I can't tell where one word ends and another begins. And I want to be able to clearly see that each of these is a new word. He will be furious. I'm going to add an exclamation mark because that means there's a lot of emotion in my sentence. He will be furious. And then you can imagine what he might be furious about. So please finish your vocabulary page. If you want to make it stick, then you can come up with some more sentences together with whomever you're working on your project with and just use furious in a sentence. And each time you use it, you just color in a dot.